Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on BCG metrics. BCG metrics is an important lecture in Principles of Management. BCG metrics developed by the Boston Consulting Group. So BCG stands for Boston Consulting Group. So BCG metrics developed by the Boston Consulting Group in the early 1970s. It is a strategic management tool used by organizations to analyze their product portfolio and make effective decisions about resource allocation, about investment, and about divestment and future strategies. So divestment means selling of the company or selling of the asset of the company or close or shut down the operation of the company or close or shut down of the one division of the company. So divestment means maybe discontinue the operations of the company. So BCG metrics helps managers evaluate different business units or products based on two major factors. First is market growth rate and second is relative market share. So market growth rate is an external factor and relative market share is an internal factor. BCG metrics. BCG metrics is a strategic management tool that helps companies analyze their business units, analyze their products or services to decide where to invest, where to grow, and what to discontinue. So, using the two dimensions like market growth and the market share. So using these two dimensions, the metrics divide companies' product into four categories. First is stars, second is cash cows, third is question marks. Question mark is also known as problem children, and the fourth is dogs. So star companies are those companies which have high market growth and high market share. And cash cows are those companies which have low market growth and high market shares. And question marks are those companies which have high market growth and low market share. And the dogs are those companies which have low market growth and low market share. Market growth rate. So is the industry growing fast or slow? So what is market growth rate? Market growth is the increase in the size or value of the market over a specific period, measured by increase in sales revenue, increase in sales volume, or increase in customer number. So it indicates an expanding market. So it is a key indicator of opportunity and potential profitability for business. So market growth focus on the overall expansion of the entire market, not just a single company. So it is market growth. It is typically calculated as percentage increase over a specific time frame and can be based on. So the total money earned from selling a product or service or total number of units sold. So it is actually a increase in sales revenue. Or increase in sales revenue is directly linked to the number of customers. If the customers increase, then it will definitely increase in the sales revenue. So it signals potential for new business and existing companies to expand. If increase in sales revenue, because of increase in customers, so it's mean that market is growing. So how we calculate the market growth? So market growth is calculated by a formula like current market size minus original market size divided by original market size multiplied by 100 is equal to market growth. So in this way we can calculate the market growth. And what is relative market share? So does the company dominate the market or is it weak? So market share is the percentage of total sales in an industry that a specific company control, calculated by dividing the company's total sales by the total industry sales over a specific period of time. So it is the key point is to understand the company's size, performance, and the competitive positions of the company within the market. So example is if a company sells $30 million sales of LED TVs, and the entire LED TV industry sold $100 million in the same year. So the company market share is 30%, because the $30 million divided by $100 million multiplied by 100 is equal to 30%. So it's mean the LED TV company capture a market share of 30%, because the overall industry sale was $100 million, and this company's sales was $30 million. So it's mean the market share is 30%. So LED company LED company captured the market by 30%. So market share can also be calculated based on the revenue, based on the customers, based on the units sold. But this sale revenue method is the most common method that I have elaborated, I think so, half a minute ago, that if the company sells the $30 million, so it is a sales revenue of $30 million, and the total industry sales revenue is $100 million. So 30 divided by 100 multiplied by $30 million divided by $100 million multiplied by 100 is equal to 30%. So it is the most common method to calculate the market share. So in this way, the company capture the market by 30%. So the market share captured by LED company is 30%. Stars. So who are stars? Who are stars companies? Who are the, and which products categorized as star products? So in stars, there is a high market growth and high market share. High market growth and high market shares. And what is market growth and what is market share? I have described in my previous slide. So in the stars, there is a high market growth and the high market shares. So stars are those products that lead a fast growing industry, and the star products require heavy investment but also generate high revenue. High revenue means high sales revenue. So in the star, there is a high market growth and high market share. And in star products, there is a high competition, there is a high profitability potential. High profitability potential means in the future these products will produce large amount of profits, and the star products need continuous investment to maintain leadership, and the star can become future cash flows. So I will discuss cash flows in my next slides. So example of star product like Apple iPhone. During its early year from 2007 to 2013, Apple iPhone categorized as star product, and Tesla Model 3, it is the electric vehicle. So Tesla Model 3 in the electric vehicle segment is categorized as a star product because there is a high growth rate and the high market share. And Samsung QLED TVs, when advanced TVs were rapidly emerging, so Samsung QLED TVs is categorized as a star product because it has an advanced feature, and customers are willing to buy at any price because it has a distinguished feature that the other companies are unable to provide these features. So that's why Samsung QLED TVs categorized as a star product. And YouTube under Google during the digital stream booming is categorized as a star product because YouTube is the market leader in digital streaming. Other platforms are also coming in the market, but they are not so much. They are not demanded by the customers. They are not demanded by the viewers because they have not they don't provide the features as YouTube provide, and many YouTubers upload their videos on YouTube's, and they want to monetize their YouTube channels. So in this way, YouTube provide a YouTube partner program. In this way, if the channel is monetized, then YouTube will pay every month to its partners. So, and so many viewers and so many subscribers of in every YouTube channels. So YouTube is very popular among young generation, among middle-aged generations, and among 65 plus generations. So YouTube is a well-known digital video platform. So YouTube categorized as a star product. And Coca-Cola Zero Sugar drink during the rising health conscious market is categorized as a star product because no other company providing the zero sugar drink, and most of the health conscious people prefer to take Coca-Cola Zero because they think that this cold drink is calorie free of calories, and they and they prefer to buy Coca-Cola zero sugar. And Coke Zero Sugar, often called Coke Zero, is a zero sugar and zero calorie soft drink, and it uses artificial sweeteners to mimic the taste of Coca-Cola Classic. So it is a different product from Diet Coke, which has a light flavor and a different blend of artificial sweeteners. So, but in Zero Coke, the main ingredients are carbonated water, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors. So, Coke Zero contains no sugar and calories, and it's sweetened with artificial sweeteners. So, so people like to buy Zero Coke instead of Diet Coke because they think that in this Coke there is no carbonated water, no artificial carbonated water, and it has it contains no sugars, and it has artificial sweeteners. That's why people prefer more Coca-Cola Zero as compared to Diet Coke. This Zero Coke mimic the taste of regular sugar more closely. That's why people prefer to buy Coca-Cola Zero instead of Diet Coke. So Coca-Cola Zero is categorized as a star product. And Instagram stories, when short video content began growing. So when shorts content began to growing, then the Instagram stories launch in that era, in that period. So and that period Instagram stories were most popular in young generation and in the middle age generations. So Instagram stories categorized as a star product. So cash cows. So in cash cows, there is a low market growth and high market share. So these are the stable products, and these are the established products that consistently make money without needing heavy investment. So characteristics of cash cows, that these are the strong brand loyalty products, and there is a low competition in these products, and these products generate stable cash profits, and these products and are these cash cow businesses fund other business units like Star and question marks. Cash cows. So these are the examples of cash cows products like Microsoft Windows operating system, Coca-Cola Classic, Google search engine, McDonald's Big Mac, Nestle Nescafe, Apple MacBook. So Microsoft Windows operating software comes under cash cows because in cash cows there is a low market growth but high market share. So it's a high market shares for Microsoft Windows because it is a Windows is a family of graphical operating systems developed by Microsoft and that manage a computer hardware and software to allow users to run application and perform tasks like browsing the internet, creating documents and playing games. So it provides a user-friendly interface with visual elements like icons, windows and menus, and it is the most widely used operating system on personal computers like desktop. So it is the most widely used operating system on personal computers worldwide. So Windows uses a graphical user interface to let user interact with their computer through visual elements like icons, menus, pointer, making it easy to use. So it act as a operating system is act as a intermediary between the user and the computer hardware like the processor and hard drive and software like applications and drivers. So the operating system handles a variety of tasks from running applications and managing So question mark. So third is question mark. Question mark is also called the problem children. So question mark products, there is in question mark there is a high market growth but low market shares. High market, it is the opposite of cash cows. In cash cows there is a low market growth and high market share, but question mark is the opposite of cash cows. Question mark is the opposite of cash cows. In question mark, high market growth and low market share. So these question mark products are in fast growing markets but haven't captured much share yet. So these question mark products require heavy investment, and business must decide whether to invest or divest. Divest means discontinue. So these question mark products have potential to turn into stars. If these products get high market share and high market growth, then these products have potential to turn into star products, or they may fail and become dogs. You look at the picture, the dogs is there. If they fall, they become dogs, and if they become rise like the yellow mark, they become stars. So the question mark products require heavy investment, and their question mark products have potential to turn into star products, or might be they fail and become dogs. So in the question mark business, the businesses must decide whether to invest in this product or discontinue in this product. Smart home devices for many brands like smart lamps, smart switches is categorized as a question mark products because these products have high market growth but low market shares. And Amazon Fire Phone is categorized as a question mark product because in Amazon Fire Phone there is a high market growth but low market share because of the Samsung and iPhones captured a lot of market, and Samsung smart things in the early lot market also categorized in the question mark products because in this market because they capture a low market share. And e-bikes for many local manufacturer is categorized as a question mark product because in this industry there is a high market growth but low market shares because most of the customers prefer to buy sports bikes or petrol based, or prefer to buy petrol based bike for smooth running of the bike. And uh, and the VR handsets are smaller brands is also categorized as a question mark products because these products have a low market share. And new startup in AI tools is categorized as a question mark products because there is a high market growth in this industry but low market share because most of the people don't know this technology, and most people don't want to use this technology. And dogs are those products that have low market growth and low market shares. So these products usually neither generate profit and nor show promise. So dogs there is a weak competitive position. Dogs product have weak competitive position, and dogs products markets are small or declining, and dogs products are often candidates for discontinuations, means stop the production process or close the production line. And some may survive by serving niche customers means those customers who prefer to buy specialized or unique products. So unique products means niche customer refer to a specific specialized segment of a market, and that has unique needs, that has unique preferences, and that are distinct from the broader market. Example is wheelchair buyers for handicap people used to buy wheelchairs. So it's a unique product. And specific clothes for bar or club dancers. So it is a unique product, uh, unique and specialized product. And specific costume for Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, Iron Man. So So when the people, so the most, so the most of the teenagers are young, our young generation used to buy these costumes, and almost 10% of the young generations, I think 5% of the young generation prefer to buy these costumes. So it is a unique product, and some individual interesting in specialized adventure travel. So I think so 1% of the people interested in specialized adventure travel. So it is a unique need and unique product. So so dogs may survive in the market if they serve the niche customers. Niche customer mean customers who prefer to buy unique products, who prefer to buy specialized unique product. That example is wheelchair, and special dress for bar or club dancer, and specific costume for Spider-Man's, Batman, and individuals who are interested in specialized adventure travel. So a DVD player is example of dogs, because no one used to buy DVDs, because in this era, in this period, most of the people watch movies in Netflix and Spotify, and they have to pay the subscription fee every month for Netflix or Spotify. So DVD players market has declined or discontinued, and Yahoo Messenger. So no one want to use Yahoo Messenger. I don't have Yahoo Messenger in my phone. Last 10 years, last 10 to 15 years back, I have Yahoo Messenger in my phone, but but I don't want Yahoo Messenger anymore, because it is the era of WhatsApp. So I have WhatsApp in my phone, and I can interact with my friends and family with WhatsApp. So Yahoo Messenger is almost gone away, is almost declined. And Nokia featuring phone is almost gone away in the market. So there is little demand and no demand in the market, and they have a low share in the market. So no one want to buy Nokia phones. And BlackBerry phones is almost diminishing and almost gone away from the market. So there is no demand for BlackBerry phones, because nowadays people prefer to buy Samsung phones or iPhones. So people want to buy Infinix phones, Realme phone, Tecno phone, Vivo company phone, Oppo company phone, Samsung company phone, Honor company phone, Apple iPhones, Xiaomi company phones, and people and mostly people willing to buy the Huawei phone. So there is no market for BlackBerry phones. So low share for many brands. So DVD players, Yahoo Messenger, Nokia featuring phone, BlackBerry phones, HD smartphones, and Microsoft Zones all are example of dogs, because they have low market share and low market growth. And no market. HTC smartphone in 2020, HTC smartphone stopped in production line in 2020, and there is no market for HTC smartphones. No one is willing to buy HTC smartphones. And for Microsoft Zone, lost badly to iPod. So when iPod came into the market, Microsoft Zones gone away from the market. So Microsoft Zone is an example of dogs. So Microsoft Zone was a discontinued brand of a digital media products and services, including portable media players, music subscription service, and software that competed with the iPhone. Microsoft Zone introduced in 2006, and it included the Zune HD portable media player and the Zune Media Press, Zune Music Pass subscription service, but failed to gain significant market share and was officially discontinued in 2012. So Microsoft Zone officially discontinued in 2012. So there is no market for Microsoft Zone, because Microsoft Zone production was discontinued in 2012. And what is iPod? So iPod was a line of portable media player and multiple purpose mobile devices designed and marketed by Apple Incorporation. So iPod, it was first introduced in 2001. So its purpose was to allow users to carry a large music library in their pocket, connected with Apple iTunes software. So, so the entire iPod production line was officially discontinued by Apple on May 10, 2020. So 3 years back, iPod production was officially discontinued in May 10th, 2020 to 2022. So 3 years back, iPod production lines was also discontinued. But iPod actually outcompete the Microsoft zones. So Microsoft zones lost badly to iPod. So these are all example of dogs: DVD players, Yahoo Messenger, Nokia feature phone, BlackBerry phones, HP smartphones, and Microsoft phones. All are the example of dogs. So all these products are categorized as dogs. So real company example. So we can take the example of Apple company. So the category and example. So Apple Watch AirPods during early launch were categorized as stars. So Apple Watch is a smart watch developed by Apple that act as a versatile wrist-worn device for health tracking, for fitness tracking, for end communication. So it integrates with other Apple product, tracks health metrics like heart rate and blood oxygen, and allow users to make calls, send texts, and pay for items with Apple Pay. So the Apple Watch can also functioning without an iPhone. So the Apple Watches can be used for tracking health metrics, blood oxygen, blood heart rate, blood blood uh, blood pressure, oxygen, and allow users to make call and send texts as well, and pay for. And Apple Watches can be used as Apple Pay. And what are AirPods? AirPods are line of wireless Bluetooth-enabled earbuds made by Apple, first released in 2016. So they connect automatically to Apple devices and offer features like high-quality audio, voice activated Siri, and come with a portable charging case that provide hours of listening time. So AirPods are completely wireless and connect to your Apple devices like iPhone and iPad immediately. So AirPod is like a earbuds, wireless Bluetooth earbuds. And iPhones today is categorized as a cash cow product. And MacBook is also categorized as a cash cow product. So MacBook is a line of Macintosh laptop computer designed and marketed by Apple Incorporation. So MacBook run on Apple, Microsoft, Mac operating system, and known for its design, build quality, and tight integration between hardware and software. So current models include the ultra portable MacBook Air and high performance MacBook Pro. So all MacBooks Pro run on Mac's operating system, Apple proprietary operating system. Apple designed both the it deals both hardware and software integration. So MacBook is actually is a laptop. So it is actually a advanced features laptop. So an iPhone, today we are using iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max. So iPhone is a line of smartphones made by Apple that run on iOS software and known for its touchscreen interface. So first iPhone introduced in 2007. So it combined mobile phones, music player, personal computing feature into one device. And iPhones revolutioning the mobile phone industry with its multi-touch interface. And iPhones allowed users to interact with the phone using their finger instead of physical keyboard. So iPhone today is also categorized in the cash cow product, because in the cash cow products there is a low market growth but high market shares. You can see everyone is status conscious. Everyone want to buy iPhone 16 Pro Max because they think it is a status symbol, and the people who can afford it, they definitely buy iPhone 16 Pro Max. iPhone 16 Pro Max is the latest model of iPhone, but there's a low market growth because most of the people can't afford to buy this product. And the question mark product are VN Pro, new high growth market. So what is VN Pro? VN Pro is Apple VN Pro is a spatial computer that blends digital content with the physical world, creating an experience that uses your environment as a canvas for apps and content. So it functions as a mixed reality handset, projecting a digital interface over your view of the real world and allow interaction through eye tracking, hand gesture, and voice command. So this device features advanced chips for high performance and include a system for ultra high resolution display and spectacle audio. So it is a very advanced feature computer, a spectacle computer that blends content with the physical world and and allow interaction through eye tracking, hand gesture, and voice command. So it is a very valuable and very expensive Apple product. So it is categorized as a question mark product because in the question mark product there is a high market growth but low market share, because most of the people don't buy this product because they don't want to afford it, or they do not aware of this new technology. That's why VN Pro is the VN Pro market is high. In VN Pro market there is a low market share for this product but high market growth in the future. So VN Pro is categorized as a question mark product. And iPod discontinued. You can know very well that iPod operation is discontinued in 2022. So iPod is no more available in the market. So that's why it is categorized as a dog's product. So that's why it is categorized as a dog product. So other example is of a Google company, and YouTube and the Google Cloud are the product of Google company. So YouTube and Google Cloud comes under the category of store because YouTube and Google Cloud have high market share and have high market growth. That's why both products categorized in the store category. And YouTube is a YouTube is a global video sharing platform where users can upload, watch, and share videos on a vast range of topics. So YouTube launched in 2005 and it is now owned by Google, and it is the world's largest video platform. Users can create channels to organize their videos and watch content like music, videos, tutorials, movies, and vlogs at any time. So YouTube have a very high market share and have a very high market growth. And on the other hand, Google Cloud is a comprehensive platform for developer and businesses community. And Google Cloud offering services like Google Cloud Storage for professionals, and it has a professional grade infrastructure, custom application development, and storing huge amount of data with more advanced features like granular security and usage based pricing. And there is so many pricing models like silver package, gold package, and diamond package, because most of the business have to buy this Google Cloud. And Google Cloud is a paid version of Google, while the Google Drive is a free version of the Google. So so there is a high market share and high market demand for Google Cloud. That's why these two products comes under the category of stores. And Google Search and Android operating software comes under the category of cash cows, because these products have high market share but low market growth. And Google Search Google Search is a web search engine operated by Google that allows users to find information on the internet by entering keywords or phrases. So it is worked by using web crawlers to find the required pages, find index pages, then using algorithm to analyze and rank website based on their relevance to the user's query. So the resulted page present the most relevant and helpful information comes at the top. So Google search engine, and what is Android software? Android software is a Linux-based operating software primarily designed for a touchscreen mobile device like smartphones and tablets. It was developed by Google, and after acquiring Android Incorporation in 2005, it is the Android operating software is the world's most widely used mobile operating system, and is known for being open source, allowing for significant customization by manufacturers and developers. So both products comes under the category of cash cows because these products have high market shares and low market growth. So that's why these products categorized under the category of cash cows. And Waymo self-driving robotic car and Google Pay comes under the category of question mark because these products have low market share but high market growth. So what is Waymo? Waymo is like Uber, like Cream, like InDrive. Waymo is an app for robotic cars, for self-driving cars. So Waymo is an autonomous driving technology company owned by Alphabet that develop self-driving system and operate a fully autonomous ride-hailing services. The rider can hail these driverless vehicles through an app by 24/7. So transportation in areas like San Francisco and Los Angeles. Our company goal is to make it safer and easier for people to move around using its self-driving technology, which combines artificial intelligence, which combines AI with a suite of sensors like radar and cameras. So this technology comes under the category of question mark because it has low market share but high market growth because it captures a very low market. It is available in some cities of USA and one city in China. So it is available in San Francisco, Phoenix and Los Angeles, and in China it is available in only one city like Beijing. So but it has a high potential for market growth. So hopefully in the coming year it will available in most developed countries. So it has a potential for market growth. So that's why it comes under the category of question mark. And what is Google Pay? Google Pay is a digital wallet and mobile payment service that allow users to make secure payment online in apps and in physical stores using their mobile devices. It stores credit cards, debit cards, and other payment method. And it is used with the associated Google Wallet app to enable contactless payments. So user can usually store their debit or credit card and onboarding passes as well. And the Google Pay use NFC enabled. We can use Google Pay in the NFC enabled smartphone or smartwatches to tap and pay at contactless terminals. So Google Pay is available in some region. So that's why it has a very low market share, but it has a high potential for market growth. So that's why it comes under the category of question mark. And Google Plus and Google Glass come under the category of dogs because Google Plus and Google Glass, both products have eliminated from the market, and both are not operating in the market right now. That's why they comes under the category of dogs. So what is Google Plus? Google Plus was a social networking platform. Google Plus was a social networking platform as Facebook, as like Facebook. So Google Plus was a social network platform developed by Google and integrated various Google services, allowing users to connect, share content, and communicate through features like Hangout and photo sharing. So Google Plus launched in 2011, and Google Plus discontinued its operations on April 2nd, 2019. So Google Plus was intended to compete with other social media giants like Facebook, but Google officially shut down Google Plus for personal accounts in April 2nd, 2019 for some reasons. So because Facebook was a giant in social media service, social media platform, and Google Plus is unable to compete with Facebook. That's the reason that the Google decided to discontinue its operations in 2019, and that's why Google Plus eliminated from the market. And what is Google Glass? Google Glass is a glass type device. So Google Glass is a discontinued brand of the smart glasses that served as a wearable computer with a with a head-up display to overlay this digital information onto the wearer field of vision. It was controlled by voice command. It was controlled by touch sensitive, and it was controlled by voice commands. And it has a touch sensitive panel on the side, and it featured a camera and microphone and connectivity option like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this device was designed for hand-free use, allowing user to take photos, record videos, and get direction and communicate through the glasses. But eventually the Google decided to discontinue its operations in January 2015. So Google Glass launched in stages. A limited Explorer program began in the US in early 2013, followed by a public release in April 2014. So that the original consumer version was discontinued in January 2015 due to some privacy concern and other issues. So Google Glass has eliminated from the market. So it is not operating in the market right now. That's why it is eliminated. So Google Plus and Google Glass comes under the category of dogs because both these products are not operating in the market right now. Flagship Galaxy S series of Samsung comes under the category of stars. The flagship Galaxy S series is Samsung's premium line of Android smartphones, representing the best in technology, best in design, best in features. So these high-end devices are known for their cutting-edge performance, professional-grade cameras, advanced display, and premium best quality. So these series is aimed at users who want the high specification and a non-compromises smartphone experience. So Samsung introduces this flagship Galaxy series. So Samsung introduces its most advanced innovation, including cutting-edge processor, high-resolution dynamic AMOLED 2x display, and revolutionary camera system in this flagship Galaxy S series. So the latest Galaxy S model is Samsung Galaxy S25 and Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So these Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are compatible with iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. So that's why these products have high market share and high market growth. That's why these latest Samsung flagship Galaxy S series phones categorized in the star category. And home appliances like refrigerators, like automatic washing machines, like microwave ovens, like electric ovens, and like electric cookers and dishwashers and vacuum cleaners comes under the category of home appliances. And basic TVs like basic LCD TVs also comes under the category of cash cows because these products have low market growth and high market share. That's why it comes under the category of cash cows. And foldable phones. So initially the Samsung company and Nokia company introducing the foldable phones, so flip phones. So these phones comes under the category of question mark because these products have low market share and high market growth. So these products are fast growing markets but haven't captured much share in the market. So these products require heavy investments. So that's why these phones comes under the category of question mark. And old smartphones like Galaxy Mini series like Samsung Galaxy Mini S1, Samsung Galaxy Mini S2, Samsung Galaxy Mini S3, and Samsung Mini Galaxy S4 and Samsung Galaxy Mini S5 comes under the category of Galaxy Mini series. And these are the old smartphones, and now the Samsung's companies stop producing these mini phones. So that's why these mini phones are eliminated in the market, and these old smartphones and these old mini smartphones are not operating in the market. That's why they comes under the category of dogs. So Samsung Galaxy Mini series was a line of compact, broad, compact and budget-friendly Android phones. So these are very cheap phones. These are not very expensive phones, and the Samsung Galaxy Mini release in 2014 was the last in the Mini lineup. So Samsung discontinued this Mini series to focus on other lines such as Galaxy Alpha and the Galaxy A series. So Samsung Galaxy S5 Mini released in 2014 was the last in the Samsung Galaxy Mini series. So now these Galaxy Mini series are not operating in the market. That's why these old smartphones comes under the category of dogs. And why companies use the BCG metrics? Companies use the BCG metrics to decide where to invest. Companies use the BCG metrics to know which product are funding the company. Companies use the BCG metrics to identify the product that need more attention. And companies use the BCG metrics to detect products that need divestment or closure. Divestment means discontinued. And companies use the BCG metrics to create long-term strategy. And advantages of the BCG matrix. First is the BCG matrix is simple and easy to understand. BCG matrix help in portfolio management. Portfolio means number of products. When the company is producing a number of products in different product lines, and it means the company is making a different product of different nature, then the BCG matrix helps in the portfolio management. And the BCG matrix prioritize resource allocation, and BCG matrix helps in companies focus on long-term plannings, and BCG matrix using as a visual and strategic decision tool. Limitation of the BCG matrix, first is that it oversimplifies market realities, and second is that it only uses two factors. First factor is market share, and second is market growth. So it uses only two factors. And a third is that market share is not always equal to profitability. But in BCG matrix, I can see that most of the people think that market shares is when the product is capturing the market share, then definitely it will increase the profitability. But the market share is not always equal to profitability, and the BCG matrix ignores competitive strength other than share. So, and the BCG matrix is difficult to categorize some product, and the BCG matrix in the BCG matrix, future market conditions may change. Future market conditions may change unexpectedly. So, in this case, the BCG matrix rule is not applicable. Conclusion is that the BCG matrix is a powerful strategic tool for analyzing a company's product or business portfolio. It helps managers decide which products to invest in and which to develop and which to discontinue. Despite its limitation, it remains one of the most widely used models in business strategy due to its simplicity, clarity, and strategic value.